Assalamu alaikum students, Shakeel Ahmad here. In history today we will discuss the background and the development of Sindhi language. So first of all, its introduction. Uh, Sindhi is an older language rather than Urdu, and it is being spoken in the province of Sindh in Pakistan. And the historic records show that as far back as the 12th century, it was being spoken in the same form uh, it is being spoken today. Before the arrival of Muslims, Sindhi was written in the Marwari or Nagri ways of writing. So, when the Arabs settled in Sindh, their culture and literature had a major impact on Sindhi language. Many Arab words were being absorbed in the language, and the language was written in the Arabic writing script. So, when the Muslims first settled in Sindh in the 8th century, they found that two languages were being spoken. First one was the Arabic, and Arabic was the language of the administration. Furthermore, Sindhi was the other language, and it was the language spoken by most of the people in Sindh. So it remained the case until the subcontinent fell under the influence of the Turkish tribes of Central Asia. Those rulers from Central Asia brought their Persian language with them, and Sindhi has been greatly influenced by both the Persian and Arabic languages. So, Sindhi had a number of famous poets and writers who have played a very important role and part in the development of language. So, uh, among those famous poets, some names we study about like Makhdum Nuh of Hala and Qazi Kazan of Thatta. Sindhi literature was of a particularly a high quality during the Sumro time period between 1050 to 1300. Though most scholars consider that it was at its peak between 1685 and 1783. The poetry of mystic poet Sachal Sarmast and Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai is particularly famous. So, the growth of the language was further uh, aided by journals or magazines which began to appear in the later 19th century. So, the first of these was uh, Talim Al Kashaf Tawheed. Now, it is the turn of the development in the later and modern time period. So, the efforts taken by the authorities and the government we will discuss over here. In 1948, the Sindhi Literary Board was being set up, and it has printed many books and magazines in Sindhi. So, the very important Sindhi authors are Peer Ali Muhammad Rashdi, Fakir Nabi Baksh, and G. Allana. Furthermore, several important books have already been written in Sindhi language on Sindhi folk literature. Um the next, in 1954, an organization named as Bazme Talibul Mola was being set up, and the objective was to promote Sindhi literature. On the platform of Bazme Talibul Mola, so many Sindhi literary masterpieces were being created. A Sarmast Academy, named after Hazrat Sachal Sarmast, has been established in the memory of uh, a mystic poet. Um, a Sindhiology department has been established at Sindh University, Jamshoro, which is offering masters in Sindhi language as well as MPhil and PhD level.